All right, so we got this problem here. Two planes simultaneously take off from the same airport. Plane A flies 400 miles per hour at north 20 east. Plane B flies 500 miles per hour at south 30 east. How far apart are the planes after 3 hours, and what are the bearings from plane A to plane B? So the first thing we want to do is draw a picture. We got the airport here. This is where they both took off from. Um, this is where plane A is after the 3 hours. This is where plane B. We get these numbers here, distances, because the time is, they both fly the same amount of time. And because plane A was flying 400 miles per hour times 3 because of 3 hours, 1,200 miles. Same thing with plane B, 500 miles an hour times 3 for 3 hours is 1,500. So we draw this picture here. Right here we have the compass, and plane A is going north 20 east. So we know this is a 20-degree angle here from the y-axis to where plane A is. That's 20 degrees, and we plot down plane A right there. And this is 30 degrees right here. And because they're on the same line, we can determine that this angle here is 130 degrees. Now we have enough information for the law of cosines. We have a side, and an embedded angle. So we plug this into the law of cosines. This is the side we're solving for, C. And after doing the law of cosines, we get this to come out to be 2450, and that's our distance from the two planes. We're still not done yet, though. We still need to find the bearing from plane A to plane B, and we're going to use the law of sines for that. So we set up a proportion here. The sine of 130 over 2450, the side we just found, is equal to the sine of x, angle A, over 1,500. These are the opposite angle and side here. And after solving for that, we get 28. Because this is a 20-degree angle, we work 20 degrees back to get to the y-axis, and then we have 8 more degrees to get to the line between A and B. So we're on a heading of, or a bearing of south 8 east, and that's our final answer. 2,450.31 miles at south 8 east.